In this video, I'm going to show you how downloading music works in Lark Player. So if you're trying to download music directly inside Lark Player, this is what you need to know. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure the Lark Player app is installed on your Android phone. And once it's installed, just open the app and tap on Get Started. Now, when it asks for permissions, just tap Allow and allow access to your files so the app can scan your device. Now, once you're inside Lark Player, you'll see a list of songs and videos, and it may look like these are downloadable, but here's the important thing you need to understand. Now, Lark Player does not download music from the internet. It is only a music player, so all the songs you see here are already stored on your phone. Now, this means you cannot connect to the internet and download new music directly from Lark Player. That option does not exist. Now, what you can do instead is download music from other apps or websites. And once that music is saved on your phone's storage, Lark Player will automatically detect it and show it inside the app. Now, after the music is downloaded and stored on your device, just reopen Lark Player and you'll be able to play that downloaded music from there. And that's it. That's how music works in Lark Player and why you can't download songs directly from the app. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.